It's a 2018 GMC Terrain. This Terrain means more than just utility and capability. It's a strikingly designed crossover that bridges the gap between comfort and function. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, dual zone climate control, active noise cancellation, driver and passenger front and seat mounted airbags, front heated bucket seats, Apple CarPlay Android Auto, voice activation, trailer sway control, Bluetooth, and power heated mirrors. GMC, it's not just a vehicle, it's a professional grade tool. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
The deals won't get any better than they are every day at Ferguson Buick GMC. The customer service is great too. We are conveniently located off I-35 and West Robinson Street in Norman, Oklahoma.